Hello and welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. I'm the Disney Stranger. Today we're gonna go back and do another Disney time machine video. That's right, we're gonna go back to the year 2002. That's right, but this time we're gonna go to the Animal Kingdom. We have Mrs. Stranger, we have Uncle Adam, we have his sister Gwen, and we also have my parents. We all had a fun day in 2002 at the Animal Kingdom. And I originally shot this as a music video, so there's gonna be lots of music and not much talking, but we're gonna have fun anyway. It's gonna be a fun video. So Disney, start up that Disney time machine.
We're about to go on a safari.
And we saw a bird that flies 35,000 feet in the sky. It is a black-headed
about that, Gwen.
Yeah.
Were you impressed?
I was very impressed.
And Adam saw a bird, an eagle.
Yes, he saw a bald eagle and a falcon.
You like it?
Adam was very, it's hard to
turn it off now.
Light him under, yeah.
We're just about to light now, so.
Yeah, let's do that. We really want to get to Tarzan Rocks too. Let's get the next show. That's so
Our
good.
fast pass for the safari is $12.45. Our fast pass
I did it.
is $12.50 to $150. Just
Right,
keep that in
exactly.
mind.
So then let's do the Bugs Life, then we can do the fast pass.
Okay.
Right after that. Let's do it right now.
You're welcome to
that would have
take
been
it.
great to have her dancing with Goofy.
And Mom and Dad with Mickey and
Yeah. That's what you get doubles. I'll pay you for doubles. That'll be.
Dad was so unimpressed. He didn't want to get his picture
Yeah, he was
taken.
like, I'm not. She's like, yes, you are. You're getting your picture taken with me and Goofy.
He says, I'm not getting my picture taken.
We got him once.
And then Adam got his picture taken with which character? The horse with the tool belt.
He doesn't really have a
Female duck.
The tool belt.
Which one? Who?
the tool belt guy.
Oh, the tool belt guy. Oh, I'm sorry.
The alligator.
Tool belt guy.
Zoom in on it.
where we all come together for this journey to begin. So we'd like to dedicate this next song to each and every one of you, everyone connected right here, deep inside, connected in the heart. Don't you cry, 'cause you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forever. You'll be in my heart. You'll be here in my heart. Well, the time's rolling now. It's yours to claim it all. I'll do it too. Show me everything and tell me how. It all means something and yet nothing to me. I can see there's so much to learn. It's all so close and yet so far. I see myself as people see me. I just know there's something bigger out there. I wanna know, can you show me? I wanna know about these strangers like me. Tell me more, please show me something so big about these strangers like me. Every gesture, every move that she makes me feel like never before. I wanna know, can you show me? I wanna know about these strangers like me. Tell me more, please show me something so big about these strangers like me.
And now we're ready to roll. Let's hit it. Let's now go. That's it. Now your turn. Sing with me, girls. Do what she You gonna head to Epcot?
Epcot or MGM? We're going to MGM.
Do you still want to go to Epcot or MGM?
Go ahead, Ken.
Epcot. And we'll meet you there later.
Meet us at the cabin.
So we're just taking our time and yeah. We don't have like
Alright, so we'll call you. We'll either see you for dinner later or we'll see you after 7. Let's go. Vamos.
So you don't need us to make reservations at Epcot because everything's so up in the air.
Can't get through.
I know, they told us to go to the end of the parade.
Now remember, life's an adventure with new horizons every day. And that, my friend, is a reason to celebrate. So come on! So sing it out!
Yeah, that's it. It's not much.
This is the dragon.
This is the Komodo dragon.
Komodo dragon.
Yep. He runs up to 11 to 12 miles an hour. Second time, sir. Yep, this runs up to 11 or 12 miles an hour. That's it.
So did Danielle feel at home being anxious?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is a Malayan tapir. Usually found deep in the forests of Asia, these shy tapirs feed on bark, buds, and leaves. With the elimination of poaching and the regrowth of the forest, tapirs have made a comfortable home in Anandapur. Giant flying fox and the Rodriguez fruit bat. They're upside down. When you see them spread their wings out, over there we go. Nobody's moving now, but before there were ones that were spreading out their wings.
He's bigger than the other guy.
Yeah, because because they're two different
they're
kinds
two
of
different
bats.
kinds.
The one was the fruit eating thing, and these are the
Yeah, it almost looks like he got like material. Or, you know,
it's very interesting the material of their wings.
wings. It's like
They got
stretchy.
claws. Yeah, it's totally stretchy. I guess, and then they're like vampires. They put their arms around. They hug themselves.
That one's only got one claw hanging.
Like the dancers didn't really do much. The Tarzan and Jane was awesome, and the rollerbladers
Yeah.
were good. But the dancers were like I could do that. I just expected a lot more from them.
Kitty's ancestor.
Oh, I don't know. These kitties have a lot more hair than your kitty. Did he? Tallest flying bird in the world. It actually does fly. And these little guys over here, they're a type of geese. They fly 35,000 feet in the air. 35,000 feet, the highest flying bird in the world. Because there's so much more.
Thanks again, everyone, for joining us on this Disney Stranger Time Machine video. We really appreciate you guys stopping by. In our next Disney Time Machine video, we're going to go back to 2002. Again, yes, that's right, and we're going to do the Hoop-de-Doo review of 2002. You like that? So please join us on that video. And guys, don't forget to walk forward.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.